Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a super fun brain teaser that's going to get your gears turning. I'm going to show you a series of 3-letter words, but each one will have a missing letter. Your job is to figure out what that missing letter is to complete the word. Ready to put your vocabulary to the test? Let's dive right in. Our first word is B blank T. B blank T. What could go in the middle? There are a few options here. It could be but, B-U-T, or maybe bet, B-T. Did you think of bat, B-A-T? All three are correct. Great start. Let's see if the next one is just as easy. Okay, here we go. The word is C blank P. C blank P. Take a moment to think. What letter fits in there? The most common answer is cap, C-A-P. But what about cop, C-O-P? That works too, C. Sometimes there's more than one right answer, which makes it even more interesting. How are you doing so far? Feeling warmed up? Let's move on to our third word. This one is F-U blank. F-U blank. The blank is at the end this time. What could it be? If you said fun, F-U-N, you got it. That's probably the first one that popped into your head. Any other ideas? How about fur, F-U-R? Yep, that's another perfect fit. Excellent job. You're really getting the hang of this. All right, time to kick it up a notch. The next word is blank O-T. Blank O-T. The missing letter is at the beginning. What could it be? Hot, H-O-T, is a great answer. What else? Dot, D-O-T. Got, G-O-T. Lot, L-O-T. Nut, N-O-T. Pot, P-O-T. Wow, so many possibilities for this one. Did you manage to think of a few of them? Let me know in the comments how many you got for that round. Let's try another one with the blank. In the middle, the word is as, blank, and as, blank, and think about it. This one has some great options too. Sun, S-U-N, is a classic. How about sun, S-O-N? That's another correct answer. Were you thinking of sin, S-I-N? That one also works perfectly. You guys are word wizards. Okay, let's do a final one, and this one might be a little trickier. The word is P-I blank. P-I blank. The blank is at the end. What letter completes the word? Pig, P-I-G, is a fantastic answer. What about pin, P-I-N, or maybe pit, P-I-T? There are quite a few for this one too. It really shows you how just one letter can completely change the meaning of a word. And that's our word puzzle for today. How did you do? Did you find all the missing letters? This is such a great exercise to keep your mind sharp and expand your vocabulary in a fun, simple way. You can even play this game with your friends or family. Just pick a 3-letter word, remove one letter, and see who can solve it first. Thank you so much for playing along with me today. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun games and brain teasers. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep learning, keep playing, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.